So one of the most frustrating things I've seen a client do is I had a client where, since I mix remotely, they give me the files, I mix, I deliver mix one, I say, hey, take a listen to all the mixes, take notes, let me know what tweaks we want to make, levels, sounds, just let me know what we need to adjust. And usually what I mean, and I realize I have to be specific now when I give this advice, I usually expect an email or a doc saying, okay, song one, kick drum's too loud, vocals too wet, can we do something different here with this? And they give me a bullet point of notes, and I go tweak. What this band did was they set up their session, and then they filmed themselves, and they press play, and okay, 10 seconds in, they would stop. Okay, Graham, right here, do you hear how the guitar is doing this thing that feels very much like this? I want it to feel more like this. And they would talk for like 3 minutes about this one vibe. Okay, and they continue, press play. And they filmed these 30 to 40 minute videos per song on like 10 or 12 songs. So I had to like watch hours of this stuff just to even hear what the notes were. I was like, guys, you can't do this. You have to like just write down bullet points, let me know. I don't even have time to watch these videos to even get to your notes. So that was the most bizarre thing I saw. It was pretty frustrating, but I realized I need to be more clear because it gave me notes. It just was in the form of hours and hours of video.